And now, let's go to Ayala Mall's 30th for the Sari Saring Abubot. So I was invited by my good friends Den Takara and Ayu. Yes. And they are part of the Japanese fashion community with Miss Nessa Kembao as well. So it just happened this afternoon. Yeah, today is Saturday. Yeah, so I'm filming late at night. Yes, and after that, we headed to Bel Air for the Kidspreneur event. And Jardine, my inaanak, was one of the stunning exhibitors. And I will show later what I got. Okay, so let's go now.
Technically kami rin din naman magkaka-same silhouette, but it's more characteristically identify with the rose red and also black na color schemes. You usually see this with the younger generation of Japanese fashion enthusiasts, and sobrang accessible niya kasi, kaya in my opinion that's one of the most common sub-style. Yes, anybody? That's okay, don't be shy.
Siguro, yeah, same din, Jiraike and also Lolita.
Sorry, what do you call it?
Jiraike and also Lolita.
Lolita, okay.
Yes. Yun din yung napapansin ko sa most community na nagtitrend ngayon.
So cool. So, if you guys go on like your meetups and conventions, those are most of the styles that you can find.
Meron pang iba,
Yes.
let's go with what I believe, no, classics. No?
Yes.
That would be Gothic Lolita, Lolita in general, and even Visual K. No?
And
or
even
Visual K or punk
Visual
rock.
K.
Or punk
Okay.
rock, no?
There are so many sub-styles, no?
Yeah, feeling ko, I think madami din talagang visual K or mga toned down versions of visual K na wala lang talagang, hindi lang talaga kami nagsasama-sama. So parang nakita ko sa mall, like, oh, may visual K, tapos may nakita kang someone else that wears it, pero hindi lang talagang nagkakaroon ng big event. So Lolita, definitely, kasi we're also from the Lolita fashion community. So, nakaka-100 plus kami sa mga events namin. So, I would think na Lolita din and Yajirai kasi nag-rise siya. But I also believe Visual K din. Kasi, pero yun nga, pag Visual K, usually, based sa mga friends ko, they also do like mga banda and stuff. So, usually, small groups lang na parang 5, 2, 3, gano'n. Hindi siya, yung mga Visual K, fashion enthusiasts, hindi sila like nag-get together na malaki. So, I think madami sila, kalat lang talaga.
Oh, yes.
Shout out ka rin doon kay Ira Decora naman, no?
The very colorful.
Yes.
I love everything. I love your outfit, guys. We can see from here pa lang that J Fashion has many sub-genres. Their expression is very unique and it's very stylish. And colors are coloring. All right, for my next question. What do you think makes J Fashion unique from that of other fashion styles from other countries? Oh yeah, Miss Frankie.
I think J Fashion, there's a lot of it's a merging of Asian and Western culture, and that's something that I find very, very unique. Of course, as you know, there is the real Victorian, the original
Yes.
Victorian thing, but that's very different from what you see in Lolita, because this is how the Japanese see Western, and they already imbibe it with their own flavor, and I think that's something that really makes it stand out from other types of fashion.
Oh, okay. So you mentioned that the J Fashion style has one of meron silang mga older versions, which is the Victorian.
It's a mix.
Now it's a mix with Western
Yeah, we can call
uses
it parang
well.
siyang, it's a fusion of previous styles.
Wow.
Parang Lolita, it looks very, very close to the older
Yes.
Victorian styles.
Thank
diba?
you. Thank you for really informing us about all of these things. It's really interesting kasi I think parang nag-evolve na talaga on how, well back then, how we see the styles from the Lolita fashion, and now it's like dumadami na rin yung sub-genres, right? And what's the hardest part of dressing and expressing like this, especially in a place like Philippines? How do you overcome these hardships? I'm sure that not all
The weather.
Yeah.
The weather.
The weather. Lalo na ngayon, guys.
It's summer na.
Actually, may kwento ako.
Yes,
Kasi,
go ahead.
for example, si Ayu, kasi, she's very lucky. She has really nice skin. Yung makeup niya, kahit like kagabi, may makeupan ko na siya hanggang ngayon okay pa.
Period.
Ako yung kind of person na, alam ng best friend ko yun. Kaka-makeup ko lang, papasok pa lang kami sa Grab, pawis na ako. Kasi I'm like,
Who can relate?
Damn,
Pawisin.
like-
Mga pawisin, guys.
sobrang init. So minsan feeling ko nalalagdatin ako sa paracetamol. Am I sick? Parang, it's really freaking hot.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Especially right now, na nung papunta pa lang dito, palabas ng bahay, riding the Grab, it's really freaking hot kahit nasa loob, dala yung gamit. Pagdating dito na sa una, so like CR, retouch.
Another challenge would be, kasi most of my substyle are Lolita fashion, which requires petticoats.
So can you stand up for us and show? Wow!
Ayan.
We
So,
love to see it.
imagine nyo naman sa jeepney, di ba? Ganyan ako, kamusta naman, di ba? So, economically, financially, masakit din kasi parang kahit record ako mag-grab. So, tapos ang init-init
Ang gastos mag-grab.
Oo, tsaka pag kunyari nasa LRT, MRT ka, shit. Para akong sikat.
You go to the you guys dress up and then you ride the LRT wearing and expressing yourself like this. That is amazing, guys. Wow, I could never.
Iniiwasan lang namin rush hour.
Oh, yeah. Imagine you guys see someone doing the dressing in J fashion, tapos siksikan, punggo-punggo na kayo sa LRT. You guys mentioned na yun nga, parang paglabas pa lang ng bahay, you feel like parang mahuhulas na yung makeup and everything. So tell me, what's your like foolproof plan to make your face makeup stay?
USB fan.
USB fan! Let's go!
Jisoo, life is life.
Jesus, life is life!
Setting spray after every step.
Oh, that's so true.
Like
Setting
foundation
spray after every step, you guys. That is a makeup tip that I will take to my grave. How about
Para
that?
siyang sa art world, no? Ang tawag naman fixative.
Oh, may
Fixative, fixative for every layer, no?
For every layer, you lock it in.
Kailangan ang init ng Pinas.
So what's your favorite setting spray to do it with?
Right now, I've used 3 bottles of the BLK setting spray.
Oh, we love a BLK.
BLK, please sponsor me.
Local ano tayo ngayon? Local makeup.
Kami naman Nichido matte spray.
Oh, Nishido. That's one of like the OG ano sa Watsons, right?
Yeah, Nichido. Tapos, foundation, setting spray, second layer foundation setting spray.
Oh wow,
Tapos,
secondary
yeah,
foundation.
kasi talagang mahuhulas talaga. Ako personally, I'm very pawisin.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi I did sports before, tapos I'm very active, tapos lagi akong kinakabahan pag malilig na ba tayo, makagrab na ba tayo, okay na ba lahat ng gamit. So, aside from yung galaw ko kasi I bring out the stuff kasi I'm with girls, so ako pa din nagbubuhat mostly. Pero shoutout to my best friend, na sobrang lakas magbuhat. So, parehas kami sa dalawang layer na setting spray. Tapos, yun, so talagang pawis. Like, whatever I do, papawisan talaga ako. Setting spray, just ako, what I do, after ma-settle ng setting spray, I put, Nichido din na two-way cake na powder. Yeah, it works for me. But doesn't work for everyone.
Sa akin, Watson's girly din ako. So, Lux Cosmetic na anti setting spray.
Let's support local.
Tapos, Happy Skin girly din ako. So, yung setting powder nila, setting spray, makeup, and then setting powder. So, yun yung mga to-go ko right now.
How about you?
May dadagdag din ako, ikaw muna.
Lahat ng mga makeup secrets ng J Fashion girlies.
Wala akong masyadong ginagawa din ng setting spray right now. More on setting powder.
So, I see that your eyeshadow right now is popping. So, girl, tell me who made your eyeshadow. Anong brand yan?
I forgot.
But
Sorry.
really, it's popping and I love it. It goes well with your outfit. So what I'm getting here is preparing and expressing yourself and dressing up, it's really a ritual. Like, you really sit down, take your time, look the part, and just really put yourselves out there in the world so bravely and so energetically. And I love that for the J Fashion community. So my next question would, do you guys have anything to add? Anything that you have to overcome?
Minaragdag lang ako. Eventually, you will understand bakit ang ibang makeup brands are more expensive.
Yes.
It actually lasts a long time.
Okay.
No?
Pinuputol mo kami ngayon sa expensive makeup.
No. But there are certain brands. So for example, inaabangan namin yung sale.
yeah.
Right? Like for example, ang mahal-mahal naman ito, 2,000 pesos. Tapos and then suddenly Christmas sale, 1K na lang.
And then it lasts you the whole day.
Yeah, no, even 3 days.
Big, and then she has a guesting on Saturday, and then she has another guesting or another photo shoot on Sunday. The makeup stays. Like,
Iba
so,
talaga! Grabe!
At that point, even if I pay 3 times more for the
It's so worth it.
foundation, it's worth it.
I love that.
Yeah.
But we've seen how you guys really put effort into looking the part and really expressing yourself. But how about other people? Paano yung pakikitungo nila, if ever? They see you out in public, they see you in cons. Like, what's their initial reaction?
Like for me, like nakadecor ako, mostly ng mga sinasabi ng mga nakakasalubong ko, oh, you're so cute, your outfit's so cute.
Yeah, it really is, Stop it.
Yeah. Tapos yun, marang compliments talaga.
Oh, that's good. Kasi you see, parang before it wasn't really well accepted. Before
It's
it's
more on
like,
judgments.
oh, it's more like an alternative fashion talaga. But now our society is like, yes, girl! Go do
Accepting
it!
I have to thank the lockdown for that.
The lockdown!
Yeah, because for example, back then, no, my parents didn't like me wearing stuff
Oh,
like
really?
this. Akala nila weirdo ako na mas in a bad way,
Oh,
diba?
okay.
But nung nag-lockdown, suddenly everyone likes Korean fashion.
That's so true. Skincare, the
Yeah,
10 steps,
yeah,
15
diba?
steps skincare. Yung Japanese skincare and ngayon,
Yeah.
Japanese fashion because of that.
So dati na weirdohan sila, ngayon they're very fascinated. with
Wow.
diba?
We love progressiveness.
for me naman na-notice ko, even before the lockdown, it's always the kids and the older people, like mga lolos and lolas, who are like very attracted to like the fashion. And for me, even before, yung mga like against it, onti lang sila, pero sila kasi yung mga may ingay. Sila yung mga like what people say, yung mga latang walang laman, sila yung may ingay. But generally, with me, I mean, I'm not conventionally good looking, but I have never like experienced siguro once lang or twice or parang once lang yung parang may nagsabi ng something against the fashion na parang siguro pinakasinabi lang na parang ano bang pinaka-worst na parang wala pa nga na parang
It's
most
really,
like
we live in a time where everything is just
yeah, and I think siguro kasi depends din sa lugar or the way you carry din yourself.
That's
Na
so
parang,
true.
If
And
ikaw kasi
yeah.
you think of yourself as weird in a bad way, I think of myself as weird in a good way. Siguro
Yeah.
hindi nyo ipoproject na energy against you
that's so true.
Kasi like for me, I've been in the fashion and I've heard like may mga horror stories daw. Pero sa akin and kay Ayu, and aside from her parents, parang wala naman kaming very negative
Right.
experience.
And I'm happy for you that we live in a time where this is just the norm already. This is I'm gonna wear what I wanna wear in the LRT. And nobody's gonna say anything
And
about
just
me.
like sinabi niya kanina, diba? At the end of the day, it's how you take it when
That's
someone
so
says
true.
something, right? If someone says something negative about it, it's up to you if you want to take it in an offensive way. Remember, offense is taken, not given. Diba?
Right. That's very wise.
Turn it into something positive. Diba? Positive
very
energy.
wise.
Like teach them, invite them
Even explain to them why you're
explain to them,
doing
not
it.
because it's our job then to educate them.
That's so true.
Yeah, because they don't know. If they don't understand something, the usual reaction of people is like they feel
Taken aback.
alienated. So if
Oh,
they
yes.
find you weird, edi sabihin mo na, oh, it's not weird, it's just my fashion style. Pero pag sagot mo na, ikaw weird, edi syempre magkakagalitan kayo, diba? Parang, ikaw rin weird. Diba? You just have to, if someone calls you like, I don't like your fashion style, look weird, edi, oh, okay, I like it, I'm happy.
Exactly.
Sila, they're gonna feel like, oh, okay, this person likes what they're wearing. Bakit nga ba, mas self-conscious sila na, bakit nga ba ako,
Exactly, they're not the one who's wearing
But if
it.
you're like, very welcoming, because we already know we're not dressing conventionally. So we just have to like be happy about it. Kasi bakit nga ba tayo nagdo-dress like this? Because we're happy and we like the style, diba? Kung idadagdag mo yung hate that they're already giving, edi mag-aaway lang kayo lahat.
That's very,
Tapos baka
very wise.
pumutok pa yung blood vessel mo, tapos mag-stroke ka pa sa init pa naman yung panahon.
Said I wear Lolita fashion, and one thing that is common or like people can place me is ML. So they identify me as an ML character. Although hindi ako naglalaro, the game, it makes them relate to me that, oh, they identify me as this character. And for me, that's okay. Kasi I don't get offended I'm being called cosplay. If they ask me, I tell them, oh, lifestyle ko na to. Especially mga sales lady. Kasi minsan
I ask you my event bag.
Oo, may event ba? Oo, and I had this experience na sinama ko sa doctor yung husband ko. Sabi ng doctor, ay, meron bang convention ngayon? Sabi ko, ay, ganito lang po talaga ako. So, kasi if they see you that you're confident, nagagandahan din sila sa'yo.
Very, very true. And I love that.
Yeah, and pag
And I'm
especially,
learning also.
diba? Tapos pag kunyari, naglalakad ako, tapos may bata na nag-eye contact kami, gaganyan na ako kasi a-appear din sila. Feeling ko si Jollibee ako. Ganyan.
That's so true.
Diba? Madalas yun.
That's really owning it 100%.
Si Ayu, one time, pinagkamalang statue ng isang kid.
Well,
Tapat ng toy
you
kingdom.
are very statuesque.
There was this one time kasi, you were walking by a mall. I
Yeah.
can't remember which mall. I think it was Robinson's Galleria, right? Naglalakad lang kami, and then sabi niya, ay, tingin lang ako sa loob ng Toy Kingdom or Toys R Us yun.
Toys R Us, Toys R Us.
Tapos ako naman, I'm too tired, I'll just stand here outside nung papalabig lang ako sa aircon. So nakaganyan lang ako sa labas. Like, staring lang. Tapos may bata na dumating. Tapos, are you real? Kumalang sa akin. And then, the same instance, may dumaan naman, may an older woman naman.
Yes.
Siyempre, pinansin ko siya, like, gumanon ako. Nagulat siya. Sabi, ay, buhay!
Yeah, super funny. Na parang,
You really
nakakatuwa
experience
siya.
everything.
Yeah. Tapos mostly, people, if you have like this good outlook in life, babalik din naman ng mga tao sa iyo yun eh.
Yes, that's true. So, yes, Miss Frankie, do you have anything to say?
I think they've said everything. I don't have anything
And
to
I
add.
think we've learned a lot na really it's not about just J fashion. It's how everybody styles themselves, how everybody presents themselves on the outside world. It really isn't for them. It's more for ourselves and how we want to be seen with the world, and of course, owning it. And I think that's one thing that we can take from the J fashion community is that we should not give a damn what everybody thinks because only our hearts matter.
Yes, we have like a small motto about that. Like, every time we want to do something, try a new hobby, wear a new fashion style, lagi namin iniisip, first of all, wala ba kaming sinasaktang iba? Wala ba
That's
kaming
very
ginagawang
true.
illegal?
Yeah.
If yes, if the answer is yes, just do it. Because life is short. Lalo na ngayon with the threat of war and everything. Just be
Yes.
happy. I mean, let's all just be happy and do what we want as long
Yes,
as we are
despite
able.
it all,
Yes,
we must
exactly.
persist, speak up, and just express ourselves. What advice can you give to the many people who want to join the J fashion community? Those are just starting. Those who like want to buy, do they have to buy a lot of stuff first? What do they have to be in a kind of mindset? What advice do you want to give to them?
Okay, so historically, even before J fashion had a boom, first it was cosplay, and cosplay was first done via thrifting. So you don't need to buy the latest, you don't need to buy the newest. You can actually just go to Ukay, look for pieces that resounds like it calls for you, and style it the way you want. Also next, in terms of fast fashion, don't be afraid to repeat your outfits. Don't be afraid to restyle your outfits. Ito, sobrang ROI ko na tong damit na to.
Yes, because may washing machine naman
Yes,
tayo. That's the
washing
purpose of
machine.
washing machine.
And fashion doesn't have an age. To be honest, I'm already going 40s, but I'm still wearing...
Hindi naman halata, girl!
Girl, nasa projection lang
Baby
yan.
na yung pangalan, di ba?
So, the fashion doesn't have any age. May you be very young, may you be like me, na very young pa din. Start it, start it.
Basta laging masaya, di ba?
Yes, for sure.
For me naman, yeah, what like Mama Nessa said na just wear what you want. And for me naman, sa fast fashion, like other people are afraid na bumili muna ng mahal. So, kasi some pieces really are really expensive. So, kapag wala kang mahanap sa ukay, personally, I still shop sa mga Shopee and Shein. But the most important part for me is that I treat those items that na important pa din sa akin. Yung iba kasi iniisip nila na, dahil mura, bibili ako ng bago. Like for example, nang madami kasi nga mura. For example, these pants of mine, I've worn these like from Shein, and I wore them like 5 to 6, 7 times na. No, sobrang I care for it, nalagyan ko ng mga style ko, gano'n. Kasi other people cannot afford to buy branded items pa. But if you want to join, aside from ukay, you can start aside from thrifting, look at shops, and yun nga, you can buy muna sa mga online shops. As long as afford mo. Kasi ayaw namin na pumasok ka sa fashion, bumili ka na mahal, ayaw mo pala. So parang mapapasok ka na parang,
Start small.
ay shit,
Start
ayaw
small,
ko pala.
right.
Parang nasayang yung money ko, it's not the style that I want. So,
Yes.
yun, don't overspend muna if you're not sure.
Yeah, that's why sometimes we encourage, with the advent of online shopping, na 10 years ago, this wasn't available to us, si Shopee, saka si Lazada. Because before shopping Lazada, just like the cosplay community, you had to make your own clothes if you don't find them.
That's so true. Kailangan mo maging sastre for yourself.
Yeah, so dati gusto ko mag-punk rock, something like this. I had to make my own, like yung isang pants na pinaghiwalay ko just to make them look like punkish, diba?
Made you creative.
Yeah, you had to be creative, Pero at the end of the day, you wouldn't even start, So my advice there is there's no better time to start than now. Kasi if lagi
very
mo
wise.
magliliban, kasi ano sasabihin nila pag gano'n, saan ako gaganon? You'll never start. You'll never start searching. You'll never start looking for inspirations. The creativity will not even start, diba? So you have to start. And it has to be now.
I very much agree with that, Frank.
I think find a community
Finding a
is
community.
important because other than the fact that if you're starting out, you might be very scared to dress a certain way. And what really helps is you have a support system reminding you that it's okay to express yourself this way. And also they're going to help you with like styling. I know ukay is a thing, but sometimes there will be people there who will be willing to give you their stuff. Who will be able to help you style, put 2 and 2 together. So I think find a community, like you can find it on Facebook, or go to conventions such as this one, and meet people. And no man's an island. You get along with a little help from your friends. So
That's
yeah.
very true. And the community doesn't have to be big also. It's just someone you know, someone who wants to support you, right?
It can be from the same school,
Yes.
Back then kasi when I was in college, I joined this Japanese group, na mga Japanese things,
Yes,
Tapos doon ako
Japanese
na-open, na nakakita ako ng someone na nakalolita, and that's how I saw things differently.
That's so cute.
Diba? Speaking of,
Yes. Ayun, nasabi na rin nila na yun nga, maging creative. Maging creative sa mga
For
bagay-bagay.
sure.
And upcycling things.
Upcycling, guys.
That's the keyword for today. Mag-recycle lang ako niya. May makita ka lang na cute na tapos gawing clip or something, accessories. Ayun, upcycling anything para magmukhang cute. Yes.
It kind of like when you upcycle an item, sometimes an eraser becomes an earring. Ganon.
Yes.
And then
if you guys have anything you want to promote your community, you may do so.
Alright, so for everyone who's interested, who's curious, who's starting out or already long in sa Japanese fashion, you can join our Facebook group. It's Philippine Japanese Fashion Community. Everybody's friendly, everybody's willing to help, and also medyo magbubudulan tayo doon kasi ang daming
I saw
sellers.
because some people are selling their items that they no longer need there.
Yeah, so it is very open to the community. We do announce events as well for those who want they don't want to commit yet. Siyempre, parang touching lang, ganyan. We also create events for that type of opportunities as well.
Gusto lang namin i-promote, no? In our community, we have this thing we call the swap meet. No?
Wow, a swap meet.
Yeah, kasi kanina, di ba, sinabi namin, you start small,
Yes.
or sometimes somewhere in between, but then you find out, hindi ko pala type tone sinusuot ko, I wanna try something new. It will be very hard to recoup the cost
Yes.
in order to try something out, try another thing out, diba? So sa swap meet, you will meet with other like-minded people na who want to try something else.
Right,
So you can swap clothes with each
So,
other.
kunwari, hindi mo bet yung subgenre na to, and then you're gonna swap with someone who has the subgenre that you want. That's very, very nice.
Tapos ayun, we also have we're gonna promote Lolita Memoirs. It's our Lolita Fashion magazine. So we started sa Lolita Fashion pa lang. So,
Puro ganyan na lang, wala ka nang alam gawin kundi magparamdam. Hindi ko na alam, ano ba dapat ba? Iisipin ko o dapat ba na wag na lang. Tuwing gabi ka lang ng today, umaga message ko walang effect. Oo, nag-a-apply kung ano ng next, upang aking utak ay maset. Ano ba ang nadarama? Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa, pwede ba? Huwag ka nang magkama. Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy-ligoy pa. Paligoy-ligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy pa. Don't wanna be with anyone else, still here, go back. It's you, it's you. Tell me mine, tell you second to the last song. Okay.
Sa American actor.
Si ano?
Okay. Almost killed me. It's never over. It's just another day. And it's not hard. Woke up alone, staring at the ceiling. I try not to care, but it hurts my feelings. You don't have to stay. Come here, get with it. No one's touched me there in a time I'm in. Baby, don't you like this beat? Amazing, sleep with me. It's like a
Contest. For now, please enjoy the many activities here at Sari Saring Abubot. Nakakapag-journal buffet na ba kayo? Or nakapag-tamagotchi meet up? Nakapag-try na ba kayo? Kasi kanina pa kami doon naloloka.
Who wants to play games? Please, here.
Let's go tayo.
Nandito si Jordy nung ikot. Thank you.
Actually, sa
Diba? Ang designer.
Here, you can choose letters.
Oh, ayan, oh.
This is A-E-I-O. There's the vowel letters. Malalim. Games.
How?
Wow. Just put it here inside. Slide it. No. Sorry. Slide it here.
Oh!
It's like this one.
I like that, oh.
And then after that, you can have free games here.
How much yan? Ganyan?
120. And then you can spin here, and then you can win stickers, hair clip, or hair clamp. Kasi tatlo mo na.
That's nice.
Cute. And then we can put that here. And you can lock it.
And then lock it.
There.
Wow, that's nice.
You can win stickers or hair clips. Spin.
Spin muna, spin.
One, two, three.
Ay! Oh! It's okay. So, ano yan?
Hair club.
Hair clamp. Okay, now you can choose hair clamp here. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
No, where's the outside? What outside? Is it food? Like, no, it's only here. No.
Yan na. Sit na.
Easy for you, yes.
Okay, lucky.
Just stop and go, right?
Yes! So, nice.
Me.
Yes.
Me.
Okay.
Pick it up.
Ano dito? Hair clamp din ba yan? Ano ba to? Hair clamp din naman nga.
Ano yan?
Hair...
Hair clip, hair clamp.
Stickers. Choose stickers for you yan.
K-pop demon.
It's up to you. You choose.
Which is 3 stickers.
O, 3 stickers.
K-pop demon or Sanrio.
Okay. That's it.
The master is at 5.
So you choose.
Thank you.
Ito, pwede itong mag-customize eh. Yan, yung ano-ano size. Pwede sa matanda din. Ang ganda nung yung sa Pilipinas. Cute to, oh. Oh, diba, nice? Dahil palang mga ganito. Ay, ang cute nito. So, lots of things you will learn from these peeps, the Japanese fashion enthusiast. Yeah. So their fashion is really the Lolita and then the Japanese fashion styling. So what I love about the Lolita fashion is like more on the Victorian style. So yeah, I love them. And you know what? Fashion is for everyone. And fashion is, for me, is dressing up what you feel and what makes you happy. So walang pakialaman. So yeah, so I don't care if I'm 52, if I'm still, you know, carry this outfit. Why not? Yeah, this by the way, this is from Pomelo. So I got this during the pandemic. Yeah, and it's backless. Oh, there. Yeah. So at 52, why not? Yeah. So it's just a matter of confidence, and if you feel great and happy, why not show it off? And don't care about everyone will say to you. And the key to a good fashion is styling, and you don't need to wear expensive stuff, and you can mix and match high and low fashion. Soon I'll be discussing it about the low, how you will style the high and low, and maybe I could invite a fashion stylist to help me out in the topic. Okay, and before we end, yeah, I got some stuff from there. So here, oh my god, this one is only 150 pesos. This is so cute, diba? Oh, look, oh, so cute. Oh, and it matches my outfit. Yeah, and my friend's daughter, Nat, also got one. So if you buy two, that's only 250. So yeah, and I got this vintage necklace. Yeah, super love it. Yeah, diba? So I can wear it with the Filipiniana attire. Yeah, super love this. And also from the booth of Jenny and Jordan here. So I need to buy something from her booth. Hindi naman force. Yeah, for support. Yeah. Here. Ta-da! Yeah, so nice, diba? So I can put this on my bag. Even I thought of this putting in my luggage. Yeah, soon. But for me, kasi it's kind of scary to go out nowadays. Maybe in the near future. Yeah, so nice, no? So this only costs 120. Yeah, and I love the high spirit of the kids when they sell their stuff. My god. And actually 4 kids approached me and invited me to their booth, and you know what, they know how to sell. And they know how to sell. Oh my god, that's so nice. Okay, so that's a wrap, my lovies, my Josephs, for my fashion events this week, and I hope you love them. And my favorite perfumes is streaming also, so you better watch it because it's a prelude to another giveaway. Okay, so thank you so much again, my lovies, my Josephs, for watching and showing love to my channel. Okay, so I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye, love you.